Have you ever gotten on board a plane and seen people heading for first class and wondered what it's really like and whether it's worth it? I'm Erin from ContinentalDrifters.ca, and I recently had a chance to upgrade a flight from Calgary to London Heathrow aboard British Airways. We got a chance to fly Club World, and I'm about to tell you exactly what it's like. We purchased our coach tickets from British Airways and used Avios points to get the upgrade. The first perk that makes this worthwhile is access to the private departures lounge. In Calgary, it's operated by Aspire, and while it's not what I'd call luxurious, it is really well appointed and has a variety of seating options. The next pro of business class is priority boarding. Before the majority of passengers are allowed to board, Club World guests go to the front of the line. We're ushered on board where there's a ton of space to move around and stow luggage, plus the overhead compartments are huge, so there's no competing to wedge your bag in next to dozens of others. On the seats are fluffy duvet-style blankets, over-ear headphones, and a pillow. And speaking of seats, they're big, roomy, and luxurious. They're wide and they recline at the touch of a button, and there's a footrest where I can stretch my legs right out. They also fold fully flat, a feature which I'm going to test later on. There's a table that folds to a small side table size or to a larger workspace, so you can sip or do some work or really do anything at all. The amenities you get on board are pretty great too. A welcome glass of champagne is pretty amazing, and so is a nice martini. If you like to sit quietly and enjoy your flight, these seating pods are quite private. Each one has sort of a wrap around the upper portion that shields you from your neighbors and the aisle. There's also a privacy screen that goes up between the side-by-side seats, which actually have one seat facing front beside another facing rear. When you fly Club World, you're not only going in comfort, you're also going to eat well. The flight attendant takes my order for dinner, which is served on real china and with real flatware. There's no plastic in sight. I've chosen a grilled ahi tuna with spring onion for a starter, Ontario veal saltimbocca with spinach pappardelle for dinner, and a custard tart for dessert. Wine is offered with dinner, so naturally I accept to taste the wares they have on offer and have a lovely South African red. The food is quite good and certainly better than the cold sandwich I'd normally be eating. After dinner, many of the passengers head right for bed and the seats start to slide lower. I stay up wanting to enjoy every minute of this amazing flight, but it's not long before sleep gets the best of me. The seats in Club World recline to a fully flat position with the touch of a button. To extend them to full sleeping length, you lift up your footrest and voila, a bed in the sky. The padding is nice and it's quite comfortable both on my back or on my side. The blankets are warm and the pillow is thin, but it definitely does the trick. Overall, the experience up here has been pretty amazing and may have just ruined regular air travel for me. If you want to read more about it, I've got a full blog online at ContinentalDrifters.ca. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you somewhere new soon.